Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a gorgeous 2014 Aprilia RSV4 APRC. This leader motorcycle is in great condition. It has been down on the left, but it's pretty minor. So we'll take a walk around it, show you that damage, and then we will fire it up. As you can see, RSV4 APRC model. Tires on it are in excellent condition. Comes with a carbon fiber front fender. Got a tank pad. Comes with a passenger seat cowl. So, I don't know, there's kind of an odd scrape on it right here. So I don't know if somebody hit something, run over something, got really deep into a corner. Don't show any other damage on this side of the bike. So it does have stand spools on it. It also comes with a fender eliminator. And I believe we're going to be reinstalling the rear blinkers back on this bike. Doesn't have any at the moment. The front ones work, but there's no rear ones. Again, spool. Tank is really nice and clean. No dents, no scratches, no rock chips. So here's where we've got some scraping from where it went down on the left side. And it also ground on the clutch lever here just a little bit. So, like I said, it's all pretty minimal. Real light cosmetics, so. $5,076 is what's on it. This RSV4 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and your accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.